Good morning, student students. Now, today I am going to solve the numerical problem in physics. It is very important for the competitive point of view in medical or engineering entrance examination also, and different types of competition which is based on physics science. See, I explained you the last class about the series and parallel combinations. Right? That I will explain. First, equivalent resistance in series. I derive these relations. Okay? And equivalent resistance in parallel. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is in series, this is in parallel. By using these, we will solve some questions related to the series and parallel combinations. Right? So first of all, see here, these questions. See the diagram and listen me carefully what it's about. Right? First, this one. This given 2 ohm, this given 2 ohm. Now, this is X and this is Y. We have to find the equivalent resistance between X and Y. Equivalent, this is X, this is Y. Between these, we have to find the equivalent resistance. Now, first of all, keep this thing in mind. Don't write in your answer sheet or comment. Right? One terminal, you think it is positive, and other, keep in mind, it is negative. Right? Once again, one point you like X and Y. Keep X in mind, the positive terminal, and Y in the negative terminal. Then see the current will flow from positive to negative. Right, clear? So how many paths are there? If current flow from positive to negative having one path, it means all the resistance will be in series. If it is different path, then all the resistance will be in parallel. So here, if we keep in mind this X is positive, this is negative, the current flow from positive to negative. So this is one of the path, stop and don't cross. From positive to negative, stop it here in mind. This is the one path. And from here, positive to negative, stop. So how many paths are there? Two paths. So the current flowing here having two paths, it means these two resistances in parallel, not in series, because path is different. Now we find 1 by Rb is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by Rb is equal to LCM 2. 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 2, that is 1. Means 1 by Rb is equal to 1 ohm, means equivalent resistance will be 1 ohm. This is our answer. So in this you have to see the diagram only and you have to identify the path. How many paths are there? 8. Now see this question. One ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm. This is X, this is Y. We have to find the equivalent resistance between X and Y. So one terminal we will keep in mind is the positive one, and other terminal we will keep in mind it is negative one. So we keep in mind, I am keeping here X is positive, Y is negative. So current flow. see here how the current is flowing. The current is coming from positive terminal to negative terminal. Stop. Don't cross it. When you come to negative point, one path. Again, the current coming from this point to this point to this point to this point. This one. Stop. Means these combination have one path, so it is in series, and this combination in another path, it is also in series. But combination of these two is different path. This is one of the path, this is another path. So combination of these two is in parallel because of the different path. So first of all, we will find the series one. So RS 1 plus 1, that is 2. This series, same one, RS 1 plus 1, that is 2. But this combination is different. This path is different, this path is different. Because of the different path, this combination is parallel. So 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 ohm, that is 2, that is 1 ohm. So 1 by Rp is equal to 1 ohm, means Rp is equal to 1 ohm. So equivalent resistance between X and Y will be 1 ohm. This is the way you have to find whether it is in series or parallel. 8. One more question here. This one. A 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, and this is B. Where you have to find the equivalent resistance? Calculate the equivalent resistance between A and B. Each resistance is given to you. So keeping in mind one point as a positive and another point is a negative. Now see here, this is the same path. These two in series. But when current over here, this is one of the path, this is another path. Right? So first of all, we will find this, since this one and this one have a different path. So we will find the equivalent resistance between these one. How to find? 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 2. 2 means 1 ohm. So equivalent resistance of these two are 1 ohm. This is equivalent resistance. 1 ohm is coming. And this one, after finding the equivalent resistance of these two, which is considered to be in series, one path. So now current is coming from this way, equivalent resistance up to B. So this is single path. So first of all, you have to find the equivalent resistance between two different paths. So equivalent resistance is coming to 1 ohm. Now consider A positive, B negative. How the current is passing? From 2 ohm and through equivalent resistance up to B. So these all 2 ohm plus these 2 ohm plus equivalent resistance of this 1 ohm, all together there is 5 ohm. So 5 ohm is the equivalent resistance between these combinations. Right? So some more question I will solve in the next day. But only thing you have to keep in mind, right? See, one value must be keep in mind one value positive, other value negative. Right? One point keep in mind, but don't write in your copy. It is positive, not mention in the question it is positive terminal, it is negative terminal. For your easy way, keep in mind, right, one point keep in mind positive, other in negative, and the current flow from positive to negative. Now when current flow from positive to negative, see the path. If the path is same, it is in series. If the different path is there, then it is in parallel combination. After that, use the series one, R1 R plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 R5, and for the parallel 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, like that. It clear? Thank you. I will explain some more questions next day.